we've got plenty of trouble of our own. Ah! Don't frighten an old man like that! Ah! Don't frighten an old man! Ah! Don't frighten an old man! Ah! Don't frighten an old... Ah! 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 Don't frighten an old man like that! Didn't think you were still breathing when they dragged you out of the drink, but here you are, plain as day. You owe a lot to the crew from Bleakrock. A shame they didn't find anyone willing to help. Someone named Rana needs aid on Bleakrock. She asked for volunteers, but we've our own problems in Davon's Watch. No one signed up. Her boss and Lisa is down by the docks if you want to ask about it. Or you can stay here. Either choice means danger.
Saw a muskrat the other day.
So what? These things are everywhere, like rats.
Gods have abandoned me.
Leave an old man be!
Is why I'm eating a war.
Leave an old man be! Leave an old man be! Leave an old man be! Leave an old...
Comrade, a word. Wish I was.
Back on your feet already? You needn't offer me gold. I only did what anyone should. I helped someone in need. Unlike some people I could point at. We sure can. Even from near-drowned folks like you. I've been back to Bleakrock a couple of times since plucking you from the sea by the scruff of your neck. Things aren't getting better there. It's nothing. Most folks I pull from the sea are already dead. But you've got decent gear. I bet you've seen battle. I told my boss Rana about you on my last trip. And she wants to meet you. Pay me back by helping her. Come with me to Bleakrock. Rana's waiting for you in the village. Go on. She doesn't bite. Or she looks like she might.
Get yourself a drink. And one for me.
Isgramor must be watching over you, friend. You shouldn't be alive. Who is Isgramor? Just the greatest hero of the Nords, the man who led us to Skyrim. He was our first king, founder of Windhelm, leader of the 500 companions. That was Isgramor.
I like campfires. They attract interesting people.
You're the one Holsgar pulled out of the water. I'm glad you're up. I could use your help. You've seen combat, and I need all the help I can get today. Villagers are scattered across the island. We need to warn them. We sighted a ship offshore. I've sent my troops to investigate. If it's the vanguard of an invasion, well, we'll need to evacuate. You'll find the people of Bleakrock all across the island. Darj, the hunter, went to Sky Shroud Barrow. Iman's out at Orky's Hollow with his sister Rolanda. Sane, my sergeant, is out at Hossen's Folly. It's an old dragon shrine. It's a relic of the Dragon Wars. Some of the villagers claim they saw undead out there. I sent Darj out to get proof. Locals claim it's haunted. They dare each other to spend a night inside. It's a silly custom, but a harmless one. It's an abandoned mine. A family came out from Stone Falls to work the place. Rumor has it, they're Daedra worshippers. Now some bandits are hunting through the place, and we need to know why. Thank you, friend. Once you've dealt with the bandits and sent Sane back here, see who else you can find. I'll answer what I can. Captain Tilronni's got the villagers thinking I'm an addled netch, but I'm actually a bit smarter than that. Posted to this backwater, you mean? I made a hasty decision. A bad call. Soldiers died. I learned my lesson. Now I don't act without proof. I took her job. You might have heard her yelling about that in the square. It's petty, but what can I do? Every time I've reached out to her, she slapped my hand.
Right behind you, partner.
Well?
Watch yourself. There are bandits about. That's refreshing. Most days it's just Rana and me against the world. We have some work to do. That cursed ship is the least of our worries. Bandits are plundering the mine, looking for artifacts. They're alert, looking for something. Had to kill the one behind me before he warned the others. How are you at subterfuge? I'll stay here and keep an eye on these bandits. Take the uniform from our friend here, then get down into the mine shacks and see what's going on. Grab some gear from our friend here. His kit will help you slip into the mine unnoticed. I'm not entirely sure. It was named after a prospector who came out here with his family. They said they were mining for iron, but folks saw them wearing dark robes. That's the story. One day there was a fire and the whole camp burned. Locals said they heard monsters roaring. The place has been boarded up ever since. I've been her second in command since we arrived on the island. She really is a skilled commander. This just isn't her finest day. Or mine. Watch out for the bandits' wolves. They'll sniff you out in a second.
do you think you'll make with that? Always ready to help.
Get lost! Quick, come inside. We've almost made it past the scans. I heard them say the portal is just beyond.
Please, don't hurt me. Guards! Intruder!
So, what did you find out? A Covenant contract? I smell a distraction. That ship we spotted might be the start of an invasion. We've got to get back to the village. Orc-loving Covenant cowards. You found the evidence. The Covenant sent these bandits, and that means trouble. I'll head back and warn Captain Rana. You'll need to find as many missing people as possible.
Cannot complain. Does not seem to stop.
That should come in handy.